Hello, my name is Stevewolbach, and I am your friendly public adjuster. Today I wanted to go over with you water claims that occur in your home. We just had a major rainstorm and should see more over the next few days. Many of you will end up with damage just like the pictures in this video. Now, let's start with your policy. Statistics show most homeowners don't have a clue what their policy covers them for. They have a perception of what they would want the coverage to be, but no concrete knowledge of the conditions within the policy. This can leave you with lack of coverage, and in the end, a claim denial. So, let's get started. The picture behind me is damage to a floor from water and can be seen from the basement below. Damage, right, so here is a claim. Not so fast. Looking closely, there has been an enormous amount of rot and deterioration. The policy covers losses that occur with a certain period of time. A general rule of thumb is 1 year. This may have been like this for years, and if so, would not be covered. This is where someone like me can come in free of charge, evaluate the conditions along with reviewing your policy, to determine if you have a claim or not. The insurance company would have a good case for this claim to be denied. Now this picture is in the bedroom. The severe rainstorm found its way through the roof and gravity does the rest. So, the drop ceiling is damaged, and the wall-to-wall carpet below as well. This is a home run, right? Not necessarily. Does your policy have water loss protection? In general terms, there are 3 types of homeowners policies. One of them does not cover water damage. Do you have that one? Okay, let's say you have one of the other 2, great. Now, let me ask you. Do you have a flat roof? Flat roofs are horrible when trying to get a client paid. If not, I have ammunition to work with in fighting for your claim. Wait, first check, does your policy have an accelerated age roof depreciation scale? If so, by the time the insurance company applies that, you will see minimal funds for the roof part of the claim. I won't go through a whole field scoping on this picture, but I think I've made my point. Okay, the next picture is showing a water loss from either the sink or maybe the dishwasher. If it were the sink, there could be damage to the base cabinet or cabinets, and of course the floor. Did it penetrate the floor and run down into the basement causing damage? If it was the dishwasher, again there may be damage to base cabinets. Of course the floor and possible basement damage. Did the water run over to other cabinets in the kitchen and damage them as well? These are the types of questions a public adjuster works with on a regular basis. And of course, how they get treated by the insurance company all depends on the language in the policy. We can fight for your damage as long as it is protected under the policy. Well, it all boils down to this: what is the language used in your policy? What are your coverages, and to what level will they be covered? You know the old cliché. Your home is the single largest investment you will ever make. Shouldn't you treat it that way, and make sure you have it protected properly? You can choose to find out what your coverage is, or wait and find out when you have a loss. It is up to you.